So this first look is inspired by My Melody. Today's look is inspired by My Melody's very iconic pink color, as well as a touch of purple. So here I have my very cute pink bow, and I've topped it off with a very cute pastel purple vest and a white button-up shirt. As well as your typical schoolgirl skirt in the color white. I really wanted to create this look to be very kawaii, very cute, very pastel inspired. And my biggest inspiration was honestly these slouch socks you guys are about to see. These are inspired by My Melody, and I purchased these when I was at Epcot and Disney World. I decided to finish off the look with my absolute favorite schoolgirl shoes and this super cute schoolgirl bag. I think it's called an Ida bag, and it's literally one of my favorite bags to use. I felt like it worked really well for the look, and it really finished off the whole like style. I thought it was really cute, and I definitely was inspired by My Melody's kind of like purple aesthetic as well, as you guys can see here in the image. But I thought this outfit was really so cute, and I just love all the pastel colors. I think purple and pink go really well together. And of course, I wanted to create a very schoolgirl nanchatte seifuku themed outfit with like an anime twist to it, because of course in traditional nanchatte fashion, it's very like neutral colors, so it kind of has that kind of like anime core element to it as well because of all the colors. This next look is inspired by the wonderful Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll is my absolute favorite Sanrio character. Well, it's one of my top favorites. My Melody is another one of my favorites. But anywho, this look is really also a very neutral, casual, kawaii look. So I'm wearing a white sweater, white cardigan, and then I'm using this really cute pastel blue skirt. It's kind of like a schoolgirl skirt. And I am wearing my cute little slouch socks that have little Cinnamoroll's face on it. And then some schoolgirl shoes that I got from H&M, and my cute little bag from Miniso. I think this outfit is so cute, and it's very neutral. Like, it's not like over the top kawaii. So if you guys are looking for a kawaii outfit that's very toned down, then I definitely recommend you guys do something similar to this one. This last outfit is inspired by My Melody, and it kind of follows a very similar pattern as to the other outfits, except the main colors for this one are white and pink with a touch of brown. So here I'm wearing my absolute favorite schoolgirl bow, as well as a white vest and a white button-up shirt. I'm wearing a brown schoolgirl skirt. And I'm also using this very cute Ida bag. It's a pink one that you guys saw earlier. I absolutely really love this outfit so much. I think it's so cute, and it's definitely gives me very more like a traditional nanchatte seifuku outfit, just because it's a little bit more toned down colors. Of course, the pink just kind of like doesn't really go with the vibe of the traditional Japanese school uniforms, but it is very kawaii. Once again, I'm wearing these My Melody slouch socks to finish off the look, and my absolute favorite schoolgirl shoes from H&M. I think this look is so cute, and I decided to style my hair in a very cutesy, kawaii way. I definitely got inspired by like J-pop idols. They tend to do their bangs like this, and I thought it'd be really cute. And this is really honestly one of my favorite outfits. I think it's really cute. I definitely see myself wearing this out and about. But hopefully I can really inspire you guys to just kind of create different looks inspired by some of your favorite Sanrio characters. As long as you have at least like one key element. For example, my biggest inspiration for all these outfits, for example, for this one was the My Melody slouch socks. The same thing was for the first My Melody outfit. And then for the Cinnamoroll themed outfit, my biggest inspiration was the bag. So find one key element and then kind of create an outfit revolving that item, and it'll make it a lot easier for you guys to create a kawaii outfit.